How to delete recently closed tabs history on Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, I'll open a new tab, which is YouTube. Simply open new tab again and delete that. Click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Then go to history. As you can see, two recent tabs. So again, I'll go to three dots on top right corner of my screen. Click on that and go to history. Again, click on history, which is above grouped history. Then go to delete browsing data. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find time range. Make sure it's last hour and not last 24 hours or 7 days. Make sure browsing history, cached image, and cookies are ticked. Click on delete data. Again, go in history. As you can see, last hour history has been deleted. And that's how you delete recently closed tab history on Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.